So what we're going to do here on the ML is we're going to change some of the hoses that can over many years can get brittle, get holes in them. Let me show you what I mean. These hoses here, to be fair, this one don't look too bad, but these hoses, and also these ones that go to here, that go behind the secondary air pump, we're going to replace those, and we'll just know that, I don't know if it'll give it any improvement, but we'll just know that they won't be cracked. What I got was this tubing, this piping from Amazon. Cost me about a tenner for quite a bit really. You can see the thickness there. So we'll give that a go and replace all these. I think what we'll do is we'll get this out of the way so that we've got more room to see behind. We're going to be looking at are these two here that go in this little sleeve, and one goes down there somewhere to this here, I think it is, and one goes to this join here, and this down there. I think we're going to get this out of the way, clean it up as well, get a bit more better view. For instance, you can see here how old and possibly cracked these pipes are, which isn't good. So I'm going to get this off, clean this up, but then also replace these pipes, and it looks like one to there we can get off as well, and then they both pop on up here. So yeah, let's get on with that. I'll show you the condition. I mean, that's probably going to be leaking big time, isn't it? So it's a good job we're doing this, replacing these pipes. And this is brittle. It's supposed to be a bit softer, but yeah, that's very brittle. Yeah, I think it's a good thing we're doing this. Taking the sleeve off, you can see how brittle this is. It's not supposed to be like that at all, really. You could hardly squeeze it. This pipe, yeah, look at the cracks in that. And just take a note of which pipe goes where. So obviously this one goes onto that connector there, and then this one goes onto the what we just took off, which is this, which I'm also going to clean up. Okay, let's go. The pipes have now been replaced, It don't take long, and it's a good sort of like maintenance thing to do, because you know these hoses, they do get brittle, they will crack, and as time goes on, because of the heat cycles on the engine. So it's definitely worth doing. You'll notice there's some other ones here, like this one. This seems to go all the way back to the back of the engine there, so maybe I'll do that another time. But yeah, it was quite a good purchase, as I say, from Amazon, because it was like a tenner for that 10 foot. And it's a good maintenance thing to do. So now we'll put the air pump, the secondary air pump back, and that'll be a job done, I guess. That's us done. Pipes replaced, and we can now move on to the next maintenance thing.